Hello, hello, kings and queens. Well, hello, hello, queens, because this video today is a unboxing hair review. Today I have hair that was sent to me from Iseehair, guys. Yes, Iseehair. So if you guys would like to see what I got, well, stay tuned. Usually when you order hair offline, it don't have this little package on here. Like, you be getting your package all damaged and beat up. Like, dang. Like, dang. But so far, this, let's take this off, y'all. I literally just got this like 10 minutes ago. And y'all know, when I get me some new hair, y'all better watch out. I love new hair, y'all. I let it. I have like 4 weeks right now. That ain't nothing compared to a lot of y'all. Y'all change wigs like y'all change your underwear. If you change them. But okay, so this is the package. There's social media on the back. Looks nice, you guys. I'm so excited. I ordered a bob. I forgot how many inches, but I ordered a bob. It's burgundy. 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 Okay, so this is what it looks like. It says, Icy Princess. Oh, hey, my princess. Welcome to join Iseehair Beauty Club. Yes, I will be joining. I will be joining. Hey, guys. This is my wig. We're going to get to that in a second. But, oh, they gave me some 3D mink lashes. Yes, baby. I'm putting this on with my wig. A wig ain't done without your lashes. And you know this. You know this. And then I have I'm guessing it's a hair care tips right here. This basically tells you how to care for your wig. You know, how to brush it, how to wash it. You know, what to put in it if you need anything in there. And then it just shows pictures of, you know, some of their other wigs that they have. Iseehair, I need some more hair. I know you heard me. Okay, so we're about to open this wig. This is just a unboxing. I will be back with another video to show you guys, you know, what it looks like on. But yes, they package is good. They package is good. Okay, okay. The lace, I may have to bleach it. I don't know. Or I'm just going to wipe it with some foundation, because all that bleaching, I don't really know anything about that. So this is what the edges look like. As you can see, they are pretty plucked. So you know, you feel me? Pretty plucked, definitely. So you know I ain't gotta really do much. It's not too bright or too dark. It's just right. It's just right. Simple. And then here is the inside of the wig. It has 3 combs. Actually has 4 combs and a adjustable strap right here at the bottom. But I'm going to cut off all of the combs because I'm already losing some of my hair from breastfeeding and postpartum. I just had my daughter, but I don't need this trying to take my edges. So yes, you guys. So far from the unpackaging and looking at my wig, Keisha. This is Keisha, y'all. Meet Keisha. Meet Keisha. This is what the wig looks like on my head, and y'all, this color is me. This is me. This I like this wig. I like this wig. Yes. Look at that. I can run my fingers through this. Like what? Please. Please. Oh my god. This wig is popping for real. Like, I'm not even going for runs. I'm gonna put my baby hairs on this. Yes. Oh, yes, y'all. I can do. This is so freaking. I'm sorry. This is how I act when I get a new wig. But y'all, I can put this in a ponytail. What? What? Yes. This to the side. To the side. Oh, wait. Oh. Hold on, hold on. Yes, honey. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Oh, yes. Flip my hair. Flip my hair. Okay, here's the comb. Y'all, no shedding. Let's see. No shedding. Like, this is a very lightweight wig for real. Like, oh, shit. Okay, I got one little strand. One little strand. Let's see. You know, I gotta put this wig to work. Yeah. But I'm gonna wear this on the side. I gotta pluck some of my part right here. But I'm going to do a side part because I'm a side part type of shit. Me and Keisha, we about to get this thing popping. We about to get this thing popping. Ain't that right, Keisha? Mm-hmm. So yes, you guys, we are about to get this popping, and I will be back with a initial review. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them, Keisha. Tell them. Y'all heard her. She said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.